Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. Got some very important things to talk about today. A little bit terrifying, a little bit scary. Honestly, making my ass a little bit tight here. We're in kind of a little pickle, but it's not all doom and gloom. We are at a very, very strong zone that I would like to call the action level. Because currently where XRP price is sitting right now, historically over the last 5 years, a lot of action has happened at this level. So, I mean, although we are, you could say, going down right now, you need to keep in mind we are at a very, very key level that should allow XRP to break up to all-time high levels, because it has done it at this level 2 times before. All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about it. We're going to look at the XRP chart, Bitcoin chart today. Something from Dark Defender over on Twitter. Just take a quick look at the cryptocurrency prices. Bitcoin down 0.6%, ETH down 0.36%, XRP down 3% on the day. So very, very weird to me how Bitcoin and Ethereum are barely going down 0.5%. XRP going in the gutter down 3% quite easily. Okay. So first off, let's talk about where XRP is at right now. Okay? We are at a very strong level in XRP's history. See, so where XRP is right now, just like this, if we look at just like this, it's honestly, it's a little bit terrifying. Not considering what you can see on the charts further as you go left, but if we were just to look at XRP just like this, and let's say theoretically this was the all-time XRP price action, it would be like, okay, dude, for sure, like down to 10 cents per coin. But you have to consider with charts, you got to look left. Something crazy might be going on here, but you have to look left for the context. So where is XRP right now? It's at a level where in the last 5 years, you have always had major action. Always at this level. Okay? So for half of a fucking decade, guys, for half of a decade, XRP has played the same level we are at right now. Okay? Old all-time high. Old resistance that was broken that led to the glorious $4 per coin pump. Ended up acting like a bottom for the XRP Binance listing. Ended up being a bottom again for kind of a recovery rally to 51 cents per coin. Then things took a very, very dark turn, and it became this point in time where the 33-cent level stopped about 5 pumps on the weekly chart. As you can see there, got the 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you could consider it 4 pumps or maybe 5 in there. I don't know. 4 or 5 pumps. And then XRP blasts off through this level again, reaching 81 cents. And you guys know what happened here. Guys, let me know down in the comments below what happened there. There you go. Yep, the SEC. 81 cents to 17 cents. And then the price uses this level as resistance again from back here. Blasts off to $2 per coin. So right now, we are at a very, very important price level. See, it would be different if we look at this chart and go, okay, XRP's only been at this level for like a year. No, for half a decade, okay? XRP first created this strong level, dude, in May of 2017. You realize how long ago that is? Think about how much different your life was May 2017 compared to now. Maybe it's not that much different. I don't know. I'm only 22 years old right now, so for me it's a huge difference. Maybe for you guys it might not be. But the point being, for half a decade, for freaking half a decade, 5 years, XRP has always played this level. And what has always happened at this level? Power, okay? Power. Power back. Power. Okay, sure, little consolidation, but still power. Dude, power. I mean, I'm skipping over a lot of things here, but dude, power. 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 Point being, anytime XRP comes to the price that it is now, it experiences great power. So, to kind of circle back to what's happening right now, you have XRP coming from the steep, Terra Luna drop-off. XRP then able to secure the double bottom. And this double bottom right here, I made so many videos about this double bottom. Who in the comments down below, who remembers when the chart looked like this and I was making videos screaming at you guys that we were about to pump? And you know what we freaking did? We got 55 cents a coin. But then the problem was, had that resistance that kind of stopped us right there with the wicks, right? So we had the double bottom, we secured it, we blasted off, and you know what, guys? I'm going to admit it, I'm going to own up to it, because, hey, sometimes I do hit some things really right with the market, just like when I made, I think 20 to 30 videos about this level, and it ended up pumping. And once we got to here, guys, I was shouting from the top of my lungs on this YouTube channel that, dude, we're going to blast off to the 85 cent range. We're going to fill the gaps. But then what happened? As XRP's consolidating, as the buyers are starting to weaken after that 3-bar play to the upside, what happens? Oh, FTX Sam Bankman-Fried sends us back down to the power zone. Come back to the power zone. We actually start blasting off again. 30 cents to 42 cents. We're looking good. And then now, we have slowly but surely gone back down to this level for, guys, I don't even know what you call this, a quadruple bottom? I mean, this is why I have the title of the video how it is. Like, this is kind of terrifying because, yes, although for 5 years, XRP has always played this zone as a power move, the only thing that's kind of terrifying me a little bit is we're going to be coming back down to this demand zone for a 4th touch. And if we don't hold, I'm sorry, but that's probably we're looking back at the $0.25 XRP all over again. But again, guys, hey, nobody knows what's going to happen here. But I'm just saying, this is a demand zone. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. The 4th time it comes down here, what's it going to do? You could either get the breakdown to 21 cents, 25 cents per coin, or you get the XRP grows some fucking balls and actually pumps, Because this is a half-decade-long demand zone. So looking at this just how it is right now, like if you showed me, look, guys, if you were to show me any coin and say, hey, you know what, this is, World Cup Lionel Messi Brazil Inu coin. I'm like, okay, you know what, whatever. And I take a look at the charts. And if I look at any coin, you just tell me it's some random coin, and I look at these charts, I'd be like, you know what, this is probably going to go down. Okay, yes, it has demand zone here, but it's touched it so many freaking times, and the sellers were so strong, I think it's probably going down here. But here's the thing, it's XRP. You look left, and for half a year, this level has held up as being a strong demand zone. Not only that, XRP created this sharp double, triple, quadruple bottom demand at the resistance of the top end of the demand zone. Because please understand, this is the real demand zone down here. Like down here, this is like the real demand zone stuff. This kind of thing's real demand zone. But XRP took it a step further and decided to create demand at the very, very top end of this kind of box zone. Because the reason why I'm drawing these two lines here is this was old XRP all-time high and the deepest pullback that came from the all-time high. So it kind of created its box for the future, which, guess what? It still played out in. Uses demand. But the thing is XRP could, theoretically right now, it could be playing anywhere it wanted to in this box because it's old all-time high and then the initial pullback from that all-time high that kind of set the precedent here. But it doesn't decide to play the middle of the box over the last year. It decides to play the top end of the box, showing a sign of strength. So I believe, guys, XRP, it's got to be moving to 85 cents soon. We gotta take back the Sam Bankman-Fried FTX screwing over the market. I believe XRP's coming in for the pump. That's just me. Maybe I'm wrong a lot. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? But this is half a decade long of strength. And XRP decides to say goodbye to this box region and play the top end of it for even additional strength. Another thing I want to show you guys for perspective is also do keep in mind, still got this trend line we got to fight. This is pretty much the final boss before we get to, experience all-time high XRP prices again. So the fact that we have this, almost 2-year-long trend line to the downside, once we crack that 85, 70, 80 cent region, once we get to that point, dude, it's all fair game. You could break that level, pull back, retest it, get that all-time high price levels. All right, guys, so just understand where we are with the XRP charts. Let me remove all my, garbage, scribbly drawings, but just understand the box. The box we have been playing for nearly half a decade. And understand why XRP is all of a sudden saying goodbye to this level, this level, this level, this level. It doesn't do any of this, and it decides to hold the top end because I believe it's preparing for a launch. Another thing, check out Bitcoin. Interesting ideas I saw on Twitter was Bitcoin weekly chart actually has a falling wedge, which is a historically bullish pattern. It has a falling wedge at old Bitcoin all-time high. Looks like we could get the bounce here, then pull back. Everyone's screaming crypto's a scam again, and then Bitcoin reclaimed its levels back to 63,000 a coin. So, guys, it's gonna kind of rely on Bitcoin here, but just never forget we have half of a freaking decade. God dang, we're coming up on 6 years. 6 years of this level, time and time again, being the utmost power zone for XRP price. Final thing I want to show you guys today, Dark Defender with a little bit more detailed chart. Hi there, XRP started forcing the 33 cent primary support. Please bear in mind we can see a wick towards 22 cents if the significant 0.33 is broken. Closing the monthly candle above 0.33 is crucial. 1.66 will be the main target to welcome new all-time highs. And another thing he pointed out there was that trend line that I didn't even point out to you guys. I was thinking just so horizontally here. I completely forgot you got diagonal stuff you got to think about here. All right. Now, I don't know if we're going to go off candle closes or it's just the end of the wick. I think candle closes probably makes more sense at this point. I mean, it's a little bit of a rough trend line here. How's he doing this? Okay, yeah, he's disregarding this wick, then that wick, and then, okay. So, you guys know what it is, man. You guys know what it is. We're getting back up there. Check the XRP monthly chart for further perspective. Again, things look kind of scary. Again, terrifying, kind of scary. Going down, relief, down, relief, down again. But the only thing that the sellers don't understand is they're coming down for further blood at a historically iron wall level. Okay? Guys, there's the monthly chart. Candle closed in 12 days. What will happen in the next 12 days with XRP price? And my God, guys, if XRP does not look like a perfect pattern, just trying to repeat itself, I don't know, man. Because honestly, all I see at XRP's future is just the same damn thing happening all over again, and then this becomes the new bear market XRP prices. You see how much that makes sense, dude? All right. Anyways, guys, that's the video for today. Sorry I didn't upload for a few days, getting into the kind of the almost Christmas kind of weekend vibes, and people aren't really posting as much news and stuff. But while I did take a 3-day break from YouTube and just played some Call of Duty League of Legends and had a freaking bunch of soda, because it's cold as hell outside, man. Lately, it's been so goddamn cold. It's just like, you know what? Why even go outside and do anything? Might as well just hunker and play some video games, right? But anyways, guys, yeah, just look, been making XRP videos for like 5-6 years now. I know I can start to sound like a broken record, but just understand where we are in the process of this marathon. Thank you guys for tuning in the video today. I would appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.